Would you like to replace your sealant but don't know how to do it? We will show you how easy it can be. For this step, you can use a knife or any other sharp tool that will allow you to cut off and undermine the joint. While removing, you have to be careful to not damage your bathtub or sink. Don't forget about gloves. It will help you avoid any injuries. After the job, there still might be some residue joint on the surface that needs to be removed. And here we're going to the step number 2. Removing silicone residues can be much easier with the use of a professional product, such as Tytan's silicone remover that is allowed to being used on fragile elements, doesn't damage them, and doesn't rip off vertical surfaces. Use the product and leave it for around 12 hours, but no longer than 24. After softening of the silicone, simply wipe the residues using a paper towel or a material one soaked in a cleaner. All of that without using any energy for scratching and the risk of damaging the surfaces. Reliable silicone is the basis for good results. To enjoy a perfect joint for years, choose a product that provides durability. For example, one of Tytan's silicones characterized by excellent quality. Once you choose the product, cut the cartridge outlet and place it in a chalking gun. Now you can form the joint on a dry and clean surface. For this step, you can choose 2 options. Profiling tools for the best results, or a piece of cloth, the corner of which we cut to the shape and size of the joint you want to obtain. Keep in mind not to do it with your fingers, because it may result with uneven joint, making it a place where water collects. Spray the new joint and tool with water and soap to avoid it sticking. With a sure and steady movement, remove excess silicone so you can enjoy your new perfect joint.